Oh my god, what did I just find over here? Oh, yup, this couldn't possibly be it. Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Ben, and in this video I am very excited to do this unboxing video of the limited edition rare, I think it's a CD box set. Who cares? The point is that it's from the official Selena Gomez shop, so yeah. Huh. Cool. I like how the first thing you see is Rare, the album cover. Oh yeah, I forgot that I ordered some stickers as well. Can't go wrong with a Selena Gomez sticker pack. Oh wow. I was really hoping there's 2 sheets, but it's okay. It's all good. I'm gonna put these stickers into good use. Now, my favorite part of all. Holy crap. Look at her now. Limited edition picture disc. To be honest, like, oh crap, this is a really good thing I didn't just now open this because of my nail art powder. Who cares? I'm an artist. Things get messy when you don't want them to be. Welcome to my world. This is all 13 of her tracks. My personal favorite is Ring. I could not stop listening to Ring more than any other song. Hallelujah. What is this, a book? Oh, okay. It's a book. Oh, okay, this is the lyrics. I see. Oh, wow. Rare photos. Fancy guy. Okay. So this book is pretty much her lyrics of the entire album, I assumed. Some photos that you haven't seen on Instagram. I don't remember seeing any of these. Yeah, definitely don't remember this beach pic. Okay. Oh wow, I really like the N. Oh, okay, so more rare photos, I'm guessing. Okay. Set that right here. Can you imagine if she actually got this face tattoo? Looks like a star and a heart, I believe. A filled in heart. That'd be pretty cool. It's gonna be like XXX Tentacion and Little Peep. But it's a good thing she didn't get that done because now both of them are no longer living in this world. Rest in peace. Making sure there's no backside to these. Which, yeah, there's no backside. So it's a poster? Oh, cool. A poster. Don't have a problem with this. Oh, snap. This is when she was blonde and she's wearing a Seven Heavens shirt. Oh, and finally, here is the disc. Made in Mexico. Mi amigo, ¿dónde está mi familia? Mi amigo. Okay, there's nothing rare inside. Or let's have a look inside of this. Maybe we'll find something rare in here. Okay, some more never before seen photos, I believe. I wouldn't be surprised if this was from Hands to Myself music video, which doesn't look like it based on the length of her hair, but I could be wrong. I don't remember. Okay, some of the photos we just saw a minute ago. So this is like all the records. This is all like, you know, the credit scene you'd be seeing at the end of the movie. This kind of thing. That's what it looks like. I'm not going to take the time to read all this because I really don't care. Oh, just a plain old CD. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Before I officially end this video, I need to find a home for these stickers.